want to ask, what would you say, or what would be some advice to mothers with teenage girls?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Let's
It's
go with
really-
between the age of 14 and 16. I want to get specific.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So in our training for our facilitators that go into the schools and talk to the kids, our facilitator coach is a licensed master social worker. And so we actually, with the women, go through the brain development in order for them to understand who they're talking to. Their brains are not fully developed till they're 25. Kids live on emotion until they're 25. Their frontal lobe is not developed. 25. Everything is based on emotions. All decisions, everything is emotional based. Okay. So, what's happening right now is that parents are in this emergency mode, like everything's expensive, how am I going to pay my car payment? And then your little girl comes home and she's like, well, Sarah was mean to me today and I really liked so and so. And she's like, this is not important. This is not something I need to even worry about right now. But to that child, that is life shattering stuff.
Yeah.
So I think make the time to talk about those little things that to our adult brain is highly not important. And we're all going to live whether or not Johnny talks to you tomorrow. Like, it's whatever. You'll get over it in a month. You know, like you're like, well, I got over it. It's fine. You don't know you're going to get over it until you do. And while you're in it, you kind of need to know that somebody's listening.
Yeah.
Can your mom do anything about it? Probably not. But if you just sat down and just said, tell me about it, and sat with her for an extra 15 minutes while she told you everything, your relationship will grow.
Yeah.
Because you don't have to give advice. You don't have to do it. You just have to listen and be there. Because that's what they're asking for.
Yeah. Definitely. I agree with that. And good to know I'm doing it correctly. So thank you.
I mean, I didn't raise kids. This is what I do. This is my way of parenting.
So dramatic.
And you're like, oh my God, does it really have to be this dramatic? And then you have to like take it out of your own mind and take a step back and be like, it does need to be this traumatic. Please, dear God, tell me what happened. You know, and usually it's this crying and this craziness for like a couple minutes. And they're like, it'll be fine. You know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I love it. Very good.
But minimizing, I think, is what happens a lot.
To minimize or not to minimize?
That we minimize what's going on with them because we have so much going on for us.
Yeah. Definitely. So being present.
Once again.
Yeah.
Present. Gratitude.
I love it.